A is for apple and airplane. Apple. B is for ball and bat. Ball. C is for cat and cake. Cat. Come sing along with me. Letters and sounds, we'll sing them loud. Learning so fun, we're feeling proud. Letters and sounds, let's sing together. A, B, B, C, phonics, forever and ever. D is for dog and door. Dog. E is for elephant and egg. Elephant. F is for fish and fan. Fish. Come sing along with me. G is for goat and grape. Goat. H is for horse and house. Horse. I is for iron and ink. Iron. Come sing along with me. J is for jelly and jam. Jelly. K is for kite and key. Kite. L is for lamb and leaf. Lamp. Come sing along with me. M is for monkey and monkey. N is for nest and nest. O is for oven and octopus. Oven. Come sing along with me. P is for pizza and piano. Pizza. Q is for quill and quilt. Quill. R is for rabbit and ring. Rabbit. Come sing along with me. S is for snowman and shoes. Snowman. T is for TV and tree. TV. U is for unicorn and umbrella. Unicorn. Come sing along with me. V is for van and vase. Van. W is for whale and wardrobe. Whale. X is for X-ray and xylophone. X-ray. Come sing along with me. Y is for yolk and yogurt. Yolk. Z is for zoo and zebra. Zoo. We know our sounds from A to Z. Now sing along with me. Letters and sounds, we learned them well. A, B, B, C, phonics, we're here to tell.